Welcome to Best Car Fixes. Please subscribe, share, and like. Today we have this remote. It is for RAV4, and the key is sitting here on this place. I'm trying to show you how to change the battery for this car. If you have force, you can just go like this. Very simple, quick. Put everything back here. Look at the battery. Most of the time this battery sign come in the car and it asks you to change it. So you're gonna put something here and just pull it over. This battery is CR2032. Any company, could be Sony, could be any other companies. Okay, now I have this one here. I will open it slowly and try to put it the way that's supposed to be. That means the positive side have to be up, negative side have to be in to touch this circle. You see the circle here is for this, and the corner here is for the top one. So you're gonna go here and try to put it correctly and push it in. Turn it up, push it down, push one of those buttons. It's supposed to light up. See? Okay, and slowly, you see this slot here? That's where you put it to know exactly how you can see it. Be sure that to put it good. And get this one. Be careful from having only one key. Try to start to have a key. Spare key is a peace of mind. And also this is one of the tester. If you want to test it, some car the frequency are different, so you will not hear the beep. This one is a professional one, also for a professional people. If the battery is dead, I will say okay. I just want to test it. Remote frequency test. No, here. Say okay. Now, you see here, like a heartbeat. I don't know why. I just see one time, but hopefully everything is okay. But the light is there. Hopefully everything is gonna work. Please subscribe, share, and like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris.